If you're paying for clicks from people searching plumber salary or DIY plumbing, you're wasting money. Negative keywords fix this. Let me show you how. I'm Kelsey with KaeRae Marketing. Negative keywords are one of the most powerful tools in Google Ads and one of the most ignored. Here's what they are, why you need them, and exactly how to add them. Negative keywords tell Google, don't show my ad when someone searches for this. So if you're a plumber and you add jobs as a negative keyword, your ad won't show up when someone's searching plumber jobs or plumbing jobs near me. This saves you money because you're not paying for clicks from people who never are going to hire you. Here's what happens without negative keywords. You're a plumber, you bid on a keyword, plumber, sounds reasonable, right? But Google might show your ad for plumber salary, how to become a plumber, plumber supplies wholesale, plumber's crack meme. Yes, the last one is real. I've seen it in search term reports. Every one of those clicks costs you money, and none of them are going to turn into a customer. Before you add negative keywords, you need to know what junk searches you're showing up for. That's in your search term report. I have a separate video on that. But the common ones are for home service businesses include jobs, career, salary, hiring, DIY, how-to, tutorial, free, cheap, depending on your business, wholesale, supplies, parts, and names of your competitors unless you want to bid on those. Here's how to add them. Step 1, go to your Google Ads account. Step 2, click on keywords in the left menu, then negative keywords. Step 3, click the blue plus sign button. You can add them to a specific campaign or create a negative keyword list that applies to your whole account. I recommend creating that list. That way you only have to add each word once. Step 5, type in your negative keywords, 1 per line. Hit save. That's it. Those searches are now blocked. Quick note on match types. This trips people up. If you add jobs as a broad match negative, it blocks any search containing the word jobs. If you add it in phrase match with quotes, it only blocks search where jobs appear as a phrase. If you add it as an exact match with brackets, it's only going to block that exact search. For most negative keywords, broad match works fine. You want to block anything that contains that word. Here's the thing. Adding negative keywords isn't a one-time thing. You should check your search term report at least once a week when you're starting out, then at least monthly once things are stable. Every time you see a garbage search that got a click, add it as a negative keyword. Over time, your campaigns get cleaner and more efficient. To add negative keywords, go to Keywords, Negative Keywords, create a negative keyword list for your account. Add words like jobs, DIY, salary, free, and anything else that's wasting your budget. Check your search term report regularly and keep adding. This is one of the easiest ways to stop wasting money on Google Ads. If you want to know what junk searches you're paying for, watch my next video on how to check your search term report. I'll link it below. Subscribe for more Google Ads tips, and I'll see you in the next one. Want to find out what searches you're wasting your money? Watch how to check your search term report right now.